because my hands are behind my back. Great. Good job. Good job. Ahora just go keep. Like that. Good job. Good job. Let's try it with a bigger one. It'll be a bigger challenge. Hold on. All right. See if you can even get in it. Yeah. Quite. Yes, good job. Good job for trying. Go ahead. Yes. Is it too hard? Too hard? Oopsie, sorry. One at a time. Okay, great. Good job. Great job. Great. 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 Wait. Let's see, what do you do? Good boy. Very good. Yeah, back up. I know, you're seeing me put my hands behind my back. That's what it means. Great. Good job. Good job. Okay, that's